Hello everyone, welcome to CAPSA, where we blend tradition with science. Today we will explore an ancient yet powerful herbal drug, ginger, which is not just a spice, it's a medicine with a rich legacy. From Ayurveda to traditional Chinese medicine, it's been used for thousands of years. Why? Because of its broad therapeutic value to soothes the stomach, stimulates circulation, and fights inflammation. That's why it's called the universal medicine in many traditional systems. Ginger goes by many names. In pharmacognosy, we know it as Rhizoma gingiberis or simple gingiber. The biological source of ginger is the dried rhizome of Zingiber officinale Roscoe from the Gingiberis family. Ginger is cultivated across the tropics and subtropics from the spice rich lands of India and Jamaica to Nigeria, also Japan and Africa. These regions offer the warm, humid climate which ginger loves. Ginger is a perennial herb growing up to a meter in height. It thrives best between 600 to 1,500 meters above the sea level in well drained, richy loamy soil. Cultivation starts with cutting the rhizome into fingers, each containing a bud, and planting them in March or April with organic manure. The harvest happens around December when the plant naturally withers. Once harvested, ginger undergoes several processing steps. It's first soaked overnight, scraped, and then sun dried. This gives us the uncoated or unbleached Jamaica ginger. There are also variations like coated ginger and bleached ginger, which are processed using boiling or chemical treatments like sulfur dioxide or calcium compounds. Physically, ginger rhizomes are about 5 to 15 centimeter long and they are striated with circular depressions. Jamaica ginger has a buff yellow color and aromatic, agreeable odor. The taste strongly pungent but pleasantly so that signature zing we all know. Under the microscope, ginger reveals the true botanical structure. From the dark brown cork shell to starch filled parenchyma, everything has a purpose. You will find oleoresin cells, collateral vascular bundles, and a distinct endodermis. This anatomical clarity helps authenticate the drug that detect any adulteration. Now let's talk about the chemistry, the real magic. Ginger contains 1 to 2% volatile oil, giving it its aroma, and 5 to 8% resinous mass responsible for its pungency. So, which is the hero compound? That is gingerol, the reason behind ginger sponge. On drying, gingerol converts to Shogaol, which is even more potent. It also contains sesquiterpenes like gingiberol, bisabolin, and farnesin. Ginger is a true multitasker. It's an antiemetic, carminative, stimulant, and spasmolytic. From treating nausea, vomiting, and colic to easing cough, asthma, and also sore throat. Ginger is a natural pharmacy in itself. It's also used widely as a flavoring agent and condiment. Tribal wisdom offers deep insight into ginger's use. For example, in West Kalimantan, the Dayak Lino and Javanese people use it for medicine. In India, tribal groups in the Assam rely on ginger for both food and healing. In South Africa, the Bapedi community values it highly. Even in the Andaman Islands, ginger is a remedy for abdominal pain and parasites. This diversity proves its universal medicinal value. Like many natural drugs, ginger is sometimes adulterated with spent ginger or damaged rhizomes. How do we detect this? Using standards like alcohol water soluble extractives and as values. Some even add capsicum to increase the pungency, but that's not genuine ginger. Testing and microscopy helps us ensure the authenticity. So there you have it, the complete journey of ginger from soil to stomach. Whether you are a student, a practitioner, or a plant lover, understanding ginger brings us closer to power of nature. So stay tuned with CAPSA for more deep dives into medicinal plants. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring. Thanks for watching.